In this video, we'll find out how to adjust the look and feel of your booking page. SimplyBook.me offers a wide selection of ready-to-use customizable templates which can be adjusted to match your branding and create a unique layout. Let's start by navigating to Settings, Design Settings. You can find a live preview of your current configuration at the bottom of the page. Use it to see how your page will look when you make changes. Click Show All Themes to check out the available templates. Click on a template to choose it. Scroll lower to Additional Theme Settings to upload your logo, banner, or review pop-up image. Note that some design elements may vary depending on the chosen theme. For example, you can check out a separate tutorial for the creative theme. Customize the color settings or choose a preset palette that looks good to you. The calendar layout will determine how booking slots are displayed on your booking page. You can also check out a dedicated tutorial on various calendar layouts for a better understanding, or try them out using the preview below. Lastly, you can set the number of reviews per page, choose if services providers and other items should be displayed as blocks or a list, hide placeholder images for items if you don't want to use any, what information is displayed on the home page, enable right-to-left text, or switching to an ADA compliant theme. Make sure to save changes once you're done.